Hi, and welcome back to a new episode of Sail Mermaid. In this episode, I will take you to the island Corfu in Greece, where we're gonna take survey of a Lagoon 440.
Sail mermaid, smooth sailing, tropical beaches, swimming through the sea, hot tan bodies, summer breezes, sailing free as the wind, exploring the world, flowing with the dolphins, driving through the sea, beautiful sights. Beautiful people, oh, let's go together, exotic adventure, sail mermaid.
This one from stress.
Yes.
This one from original construction. Because it's hand laminated.
Yeah.
This is okay. This one is okay as well, but in the future, a big stress could make worse.
Okay, something to keep your eye on and see if it
For later,
becomes
yeah.
bigger or something.
Yeah, yeah.
So this might be the first time on the helm on my maybe new boat.
Yeah, maybe new boat.
It's fantastic. It's quite a boat.
Yeah. Have you ever sailed a catamaran before?
I was this summer. I tried. I went out with a friend and sailed Fountain Pachot Lipari.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It's a little bit smaller than this
Yeah,
one, but
yeah. Do you have a chance to sort of handle it under motor? That's one of the best things I like about them. Is that they're so controllable with the two engines.
no, I haven't been
You
handling
almost,
them.
you know, if you get the hang of it, you almost don't need to use the rudder at all. You just use the engines and you can maneuver and do things.
What I'm scared about if I'm sailing alone and there's
Yeah.
tide and there's a lot of boats, you would like to have thruster so you can keep it.
Yes.
The wind
Yeah.
doesn't take
Yeah.
it because
Yeah. Mhm. That's the only thing the main problem, I think, the windage, because they're quite big. Yeah.
Yes.
But even with the engines, you can counteract that. I'm not sure a thruster would be okay. It's an extra security. So.
But I can live with this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
makes no sense. Crap. At least the furling gear is nice.
The surveyor William Walsh did a very thorough inspection of the boat and found some delamination on both hulls and on the rooftop structure of the boat. He also found that the boat had stress damages from haul out and the window was loose. But there were no damages that could not be fixed. The boat had plenty of extras and was reasonably priced, so I actually placed an offer on this boat with the reservation that the financing came through. My offer was then accepted, and for a while I thought this was going to be a new home. It was such a lovely boat with panorama view from the saloon and nice sitting groups both in front and the back of the boat. This was also an owner's version. If you ever need a survey done in Greece, I do recommend William Walsh. You will find a link to his website in the description below. I also want to thank my friend Eddie for coming along with me to Greece, and to Peter at Sail Your Soul for showing us the boat. Our initial plan was that when we sold the house in Malmö, we would have about 50 to 75,000 euros that we can spend on a boat. The rest of the money we had to borrow from the bank. A lagoon like this is normally between 200 to 250,000 euro, so there was a little gap we had to fill. We had to go from the bank and everything was okay, we thought. Problem is that when you're buying a boat from another country in Norway, then you have to put it in the Norwegian ship registry to get it financed. And all of this should be no problem, we intended to, but when you then later on contact the Norwegian ship registry and want to register the boat, you need to have it fully paid first. Next week on Sail Mermaid, we are going to jump to present time and share the Christmas celebration in Melilla, Africa with you. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and a like, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And be back next week for more.